In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a ClickUp task list or export ClickUp views step by step. This is perfect if you want to share tasks with your team, create reports, back up your data, or simply print your ClickUp list for offline use. You can export your tasks in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the exact process. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the list view or table view that contains the tasks you want to export or print. Make sure you're viewing exactly the tasks and columns you want included, because ClickUp will export what you see on screen. Next, look to the top right corner of the view and click on Customize. This opens up the view settings where you can manage how your tasks are displayed. From the Customize menu, find and click on Export View. This is the option that allows you to download your ClickUp tasks. After clicking Export View, you'll see several export settings. Here you can choose the file format such as CSV or Excel and decide whether to include subtasks, closed tasks, or specific columns. Adjust these settings based on how you plan to use or print the file. Once everything looks good, click on Download. ClickUp will generate the file and automatically download it to your computer. From there, you can open the file, print your task list, or share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully exported and printed your ClickUp task list in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy ClickUp guides and software tutorials.